As Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the Dandi Kutir today in Gandhinagar and then went on to inaugurate the Pravasi Bharatiya Divas at Mahatma Gandhi Convention Centre, External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj and Gujarat Chief Minister Anandiben Patel lauded the PM's efforts in connecting with the Indian diaspora. Swaraj welcomed the Indian diaspora at the event and also said the nation values their contribution in the development of India. Swaraj said this relationship between the nation and its diaspora can be utilized to the benefit of both parties. She also said that Prime Minister Modi wants to leave no stone unturned in honoring the Indian diaspora and making the relationship with the nation even stronger.
It pleases all Indians when the overseas Indian community is respected for its work culture, discipline, successful integration with the local community, and for its outstanding contributions in their countries of residence. A successful, prosperous, and politically influential diaspora is an asset to India, much as a strong and self-reliant India would be a source of strength and inspiration for the diaspora. This synergy acts as a vibrant bridge between us and sustains our relationship. The Government of India is determined to work closely with the diaspora to leverage each other's strengths to mutual benefit. The Prime Minister himself has taken the lead in reaching out to the overseas Indian community and engaging it.
On the other hand, Anandiben Patel also extolled the PM for taking an initiative to connect with the diaspora on a day which marks 100 years of Mahatma Gandhi's coming back to India from South Africa.
अभी आपने प्रधानमंत्री को उद्घाटन करते देखा। उस दांडी कुटीर का निर्माण राष्ट्रपिता के जीवन चरित्र, कार्य एवं दर्शन को स्थायी रूप से देश दुनिया के समक्ष रखने के उद्देश्य के साथ किया गया है।
Powered by NNIS.